Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today I'm going to show you how you can save Notepad file in different format. Friend, in this tutorial I will guide you step by step so you can easily save as file of Notepad. Friend, first thing first, we are going to open Notepad. You simply click on this start button and then type Notepad. Right now you can see that this Notepad file is open now, and we are going to open our existing file. So simply click on this file tab and then you can use it, or you can simply use Ctrl O so you can open it. So we are going to open this Notepad file. Right now you can see that we want to save this file in another format. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this file tab and then you can click on this save as. So friend, here you can see that the save is open now, and here we are going to select the all files. Now you can remove this extension like txt format. We want to change it, and here we are going to simply add HTML. So this file will save as a HTML format. So we are going to save this file, and now we are going to check it out. Friend, here we are going to see that for example on desktop we have already created this file, but friend, here you can see that this is the Notepad format, but this is the browser format. Okay, so whenever you click here, then you can see that this file is open in browser. So by this way you can easily use this. You can save it, this file, in different format. You want to save in a doc format, right? You simply remove this extension and then select all files, and here we are going to add another format like dot and then docx. So this is a doc format. We are going to save it. Now we are going to check it out what things is showing. So friend, right now you can see that this format is saved in another format. When we click here, then this file will open in Word document, but this is showing error because this file is saved by Notepad. But by this way you can easily save in different formats. Let's see another example to save it. So here we are going to click on this file tab and then again save as, and here we are going to click on this all files. Here we are going to change the extension again. Here we are going to add doc, that is also a doc format. Let's see the format is showing or not. Here you can see that this format is showing here, and we are going to open it. So friend, now you can see that Notepad file is saved as a doc file here. Now you can see that all things are showing here very easily. Now I'm going to show you the another things you can do by this way. Here we are going to click on this file tab, then again click on the save as, and here we want to save this file as a PDF, right? Remove this doc. You can do the PDF and save it. Let's see how this look like. Okay, friend, now you can see that this file is saved as a PDF, right? We are going to click here and let's see. So friend, here you can see that this Notepad file is not supporting PDF. Okay, so we are going to remove these things. We are just trying to do something more in creative way, but this is not working. Now we are going to see the another thing, how we can do that. So here we are going to save the another format. Okay, we are going to click on this save as, then file, and here we want to save this file as a CSS like the HTML programming things. Okay, so here we are going to click on this here and then CSS format. Okay, and then save it. So friend, now we are going to check it out how this file is look like. So friend, here you can see that this file is showing in the gear icon. Okay, this is the CSS format. This is a programming language. You can easily save that file as a programming format. Okay, so now here I'm going to show you the formatting things. First thing, we have saved this file is a text format, then the browser HTML document format, then we save this document in Word format, right? And here you can see that we have saved this Notepad file is cascading style sheet document. Okay, then you can see that friends, Notepad is a very important software where you can easily save as a different formats in Notepad file. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily save as file in Notepad program. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.